pronouncing it right, MoYu. It's of 2020, but right now it's 2023, but it's the model 2020. Okay, so let's open it. And this is magnetic cube. Wow, accessories box. Wow. Okay, so let's first check the accessories box. Oh, wrong side. Okay, we get a screw driver. Yeah. And I don't know what is this. You have to see the whole video to know. And that's it. Wow. Okay. So I think this is a manual of multifunctional cube display box. I don't know why I didn't got it. So let's go. Yes. Now here is the cube. What we say? Cube stand. Like this. And the cube. So smooth. Oh, this is so smooth. And this is the manual. But la, just doing something. I don't need the manual. Okay, so let's separate the cube. Okay. First steps. Wow. Oh my god, it's super smooth. Oh my god, wow. It's going smoother than my cubes which I have unboxed before this cube. You can check the before cubes in, I think, the I button link over here. Over here or over here. I don't know which side I'm pointing. Okay. So now let's shuffle it. Oh my god. Just shuffling. Yeah. Okay. Done shuffling. Okay. Shuffling. Okay. Yeah. I'm just acting to myself that. Let's go. Oh my god, it's super smooth. It's like doing the steps for me. Right? But this is... Oh my god, look at the dance. Yeah, did I? Yes. Movement. It's stopping at every turn. Not this one. Yeah, but these. Wow, it's the smoothest cube I have ever held. Okay, so now let's put it. So now I will tell you the model number of this cube and from where I bought it. Okay, the model number is RS3M MoYu. MoYu to 2020 RS3M. Okay, and I brought it from Amazon. The link will be in the description. So I hope you like my video. So bye. Oh, and I forgot it to tell you the price. Okay, so the box is okay. I can just read this much. Made in China, and the price is $7.50. or yeah, 50. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and I really like this cube. So bye, and the cube is going to end the video. Bye.